and today we are going to bake. What are we baking, buddy?
We are making pumpkin pie.
What are we baking?
Pumpkin pie.
That's right. We are baking a pumpkin pie, a delicious pumpkin pie for the holidays that you can bake for Thanksgiving or Christmas or any time of the year, really. But first, we need to gather the ingredients. We need evaporated milk. We need 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, and 1/4 ground cloves. So we're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Let's start with the 3/4 cup sugar. And we're going to, can you help me pour this one in there, buddy? Thank you. Okay. And then we need the salt. Can you help me pour this one in there?
Of course I can.
Okay. Come over here and pour it in there. Okay. And then we're going to pour in the cinnamon. Can you help me?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Good job. And then the ginger. Want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay. Help me pour it all in there. And then the cloves. Yes, thank you for helping me. Okay. And now we need to beat 2 eggs in this large bowl. Put them in here. So after we mix all the ingredients, yeah, maybe you guys could help me blend next time. So we mix all the dry ingredients in this small little bowl. Okay, I think that's well mixed. And now we're going to throw in the pumpkin mix into these eggs. I know. So this is the pumpkin. You know when you guys carve pumpkins and decorate them? Well, another use for the pumpkins is making pumpkin pie.
I'm not very tired.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to pour in the dry ingredients. Do you guys want to smell it?
Yeah.
Mmm.
That is yum.
It smells so yummy. And now we're going to gradually pour in the milk. Do you want to help me?
Yes, I do.
Okay, both of you guys can help me. Okay. Good job.
Whoa. Do you still need a mix?
And we need to mix again.
That's amazing! Yeah.
And now that we've mixed this very well, we are going to pour it in the pie crust.
I want to carry and be very careful.
Do you guys want to help me pour it?
Yeah.
Okay, all together. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that is perfect.
Mama, is that
And now it's time to bake it and put it in the oven. We must preheat the oven at 425 degrees. Make sure you ask your parents for help. We bake it in the preheated oven at 425 for 15 minutes. And then the remainder 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, you guys, we are going to put this in the oven and come back and show you the end result. All right, girls and boys, and here we have our baked pumpkin pie. That smells delicious. Do you want to smell it?
Of course I
Smell it, buddy?
Really
And now we need to leave it on this rack for 2 hours.
Yes.
But that's it for now. All right, boys and girls, thanks for joining and learning with Libby. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.